Hastings College was perfect for me. I established many close relationships with my advisors who pushed me along the way. Being a first-generation college student, didn't really know what I needed to do, and they really helped me in making sure that I stayed competitive for future graduate programs, and really is a big part of where I am today. I'm Dr. Mackenzie Hemje. I'm a family physician here in Hastings, Nebraska. I'm actually from Hastings as well. I can go anywhere from seeing a pregnant woman to a newborn baby to elderly at the end of their life, and anything in between on a daily basis. I really ended up choosing Hastings because it was just kind of the right fit for kind of my goals. So I was able to play football, meet a lot of great friends, but at the same time reach my academic goals through the biology program here, which kind of springboarded me into my career in medicine. Well, I think the value of coming to a private institution is really the relationships that you can establish, not only with friends, classmates, teammates, but more of a vocational side of things with advisors and also professionals like myself in the community. That really was, I think, probably the most productive and great thing about attending Hastings College in a small school was to utilize those relationships and connections that may not have been as plentiful or easy to access in other larger institutions.